a divide between moderate pastors and conservative pastors. I said, absolutely not. There's a divide between courageous pastors and cowardly pastors. That's what the divide is. So I'm going to tell you what's happening right now. They're going to love this, but it's the truth. God is positioning some Samsons. And God's about to bring the whole house down, ladies and gentlemen. These bunch of sex trafficking mongrels are about to be exposed. These bunch of pedophiles in Hollywood are going to be exposed for who they are. I don't care what you think about fraudulent Sleepy Joe. He's a sex trafficking, demon-possessed mongrel. He's of the left. He ain't no better than the Pope and Oprah Winfrey and Tom Hanks and the rest of that wicked crowd. God is going to bring the whole house down.